Lots of people, even in Russia, think Russian people don't like to work. If they really do, the explanation of it is hidden in the Russian language. All of you know the verb работать, and also there is a noun раб, which means a slave. You already start feeling this disgust with work, don't you? Several years ago, one famous headhunter company had a billboard with the words «Найди любимую работу, рабство закончилось». Smart move. Умный ход. If you don't like your job, если вы не любите, если вам не нравится ваша работа, вы можете бросить работу. You can drop your job. Бросить работу. Бросить is used for something unpleasant, undesirable. Мне не нравилось работать в ресторане фастфуда, и я бросил эту работу. Formal word for quit or resign is уволиться or уволить to dismiss or fire. Воля means free will or freedom. Sounds like уволиться implies to regain your freedom. We also have phrases about not working. Отлынивать от работы. Филонить. Сачковать. Бездельничать. Which one is more slang? Сачковать. Why don't you want to work? Почему ты не хочешь работать? Потому что мне лень. The noun is laziness. When we want to say that I feel laziness, we will use мне лень, тебе лень, ему, ей лень, нам лень, вам лень, им лень. You use dative case. Человек, который все время ленится, это лентяй. A lazy person. Какой же ты лентяй? What a lazy person you are. Female lazy person is лентяйка. Какая же ты лентяйка? In Soviet times, you could go to prison for тунеядство. From Old Russian, we use those two roots. Туне means даром, без платы, напрасно, без причины, translated as in vain. And ясти means есть, питаться. According to the Wikipedia, тунеядство является одной из форм социального паразитизма. Nowadays, it can be used only towards grown-up children who live with their parents and don't work themselves, or husbands who are supposed to support their families. Very common expression, still now we use it, кто не работает, тот не ест. Тунеядец is a work-able grown-up person who doesn't have income from useful for society work. Idioms. Работать спустя рукава. To work with your sleeves pulled down. Or slack off. Means to work badly, as you can't work properly with long sleeves. The other idioms that mean being lazy, not doing anything useful, are бить баклуши, Watch this video here if you want to know more about the origin of this idiom. One more, it's балду гонять. Балду гонять. There are so many idioms for being lazy, showing poor productivity or doing nothing. Thanks to the modern time, we Russian people discovered a new foreign word from Western world. Procrastinация. Hooray! Ура! Now we are not just lazy people, wasting our time. У меня прокрастинация. Of course, you can argue how much different laziness and procrastination are. I am not sure that Russian people feel the difference between those two words, so procrastination is mostly a euphemism. And my favorite, a proverb. Работа не волк, в лес не убежит. There is no need to hurry. The work will remain where it is. You can relax and do something more interesting and then go back to work. Работа не волк, в лес не убежит.